Aight, so you ever be making some beats and be thinking, oh my god, I could be making copious amounts of bread if I just posted these to YouTube, but there's no way I'm touching that editing software. Well, I might just have the solution just for you. Are you serious? Holy wow. Don't get too excited. It's a bit of a pain in the ass to set up, but after this you'll be able to make those beat videos without that intrusive, unregistered hypercam in the corner. So yeah, let's get into it. So first off, you're gonna need this good old FFmpeg. Now what the heck is an FFmpeg, you may be asking? Well, that's a really good question. After that, you're gonna need the program, 7-zip. Once you have FFmpeg downloaded, you're gonna open it up, hit show more options because Windows 11 is mediocre. Extract files, ... There you go. So basically, you see these bin files. Now, if you don't know what the frick you're doing, you're probably just gonna try to click this and be like, oh yay, I'm done. But as you can see, that's not gonna work. So what do you have to do? Take these and give them a little cut, if you will, and go to your PC. Now, this will install a virus to your hard drive. Go ahead and go into Windows and go into System 32. Oh, hell yeah. It's about to get real. I think this is chill. Give that shit a paste. Congratulations. Now these FFmpegs are in your file system. Now go ahead and find your fucking CMD. God, I hate this shit. This shit looks like ass. And test it and make sure that it works. Holy shit! Holy shit! It's here! It's here! Holy. Then next up, you're gonna want to get your beat. I think I have one that I can export. Export that shit to an MP wave file. Smack that shit on the desktop. Then you're gonna want to find an image. To get more views on your video, you have to have a picture of a girl. And no, this is not gonna do. Okay, no, this is not gonna work. I didn't know there was fucking porn on Pinterest. Actually, this will work. This is like all edgy and shit. Now that you got your image and your fucking, now that you got your image and your beat, you should be ready to do the fucking shit. This needs to be cropped back. Optional thing you can do is CD to desktop. Now, what the fuck does that mean? Womp womp. What you can do is you write CD, desk, and then hit tab and it should autofill. There you go. Now you're working in the desktop. Of course, I forgot to explain only the most important part of the tutorial, but basically you write FFmpeg-loop 1 and then -I, which stands for input. Then you drag in your picture, then you write -I again, drag in your beat, and then to finish her off, you write -shortest, and then whatever you want to call it, .mp4. In this case, I called it balls.mp4. Conversion failed! Great. Width not divisible by 2. Awesome! So both of them have to be divisible by 2, by the way. Don't get it mixed up. I'm making this Google Doc right now, and I'll put in errors and stuff that you need to be aware of. And there we go. Now it's actually fucking working. And there we go. There's the fucking video. It's done.
Closet, you got the sauce.
Then go ahead and upload it to youtube.com. Free Ninja X Fortnite X Net Spend X Playboy Party Type Beat. Please click this, please. And then there you go. You're pretty much done at that point. I recorded a separate video on how to do this on Mac, but I was kind of like sneezing the whole time, but I don't know if I'll insert that now or... Jesus Christ, I touched a cat for like 5 seconds and now I'm like all puffed up like that bitch from Cloudy of the Chance of Meatballs. So to do this on Mac, you're gonna need a little thing called Homebrew. Homebrew is fucking goated. Jesus Christ, that cat got me fucked up. Basically, all you have to do is click this little silly fucking button, open up terminal, and paste that bitch in. Click enter, and then, like, click yes and shit. Yippee. Now, right through, install, FFmpeg. Gonna do a bunch of fucking bullshit. Just let it download the virus. So, what do I do now? This is just in your home folder right now. So you're gonna write CD, desktop. Now we are running in the desktop folder. FFmpeg loop 1 I, the photograph. In this case, find my friends. Then another I, the beat. Shortest. Whatever you want to name it. Jesus. And I'm not even gonna speed that up because that was so fucking quick. Here it is.
Jesus Christ.
I think that's about it.